Tell us more about the festival. What is the festival all about? It's a 3-day festival.
Absolutely, and it's happening in 7 or 8 days from now, the weekend of 8th, 9th and 10th of April. It's just around the corner. We call it Bailamos, which is a Spanish word, and it just means let's dance. And मेरी जो हिस्ट्री है, my history for the last 18 years as a dancer, मैं overseas रह रहा हूँ पिछले 18 सालों से, and मेरी पूरी करियर जो सालसा और लैटिन डांसेस के अंदर डेवलप हुई है. मैं खुद करीब 500 इवेंट्स अटेंड कर चुका हूँ एज अ डांसर, एज अ परफॉर्मर, एज एन आर्टिस्ट, सम 85 कंट्रीज़. तो इतना सब एक्सपीरियंस जो मैंने हासिल किया, उसके बाद मेरी बहुत इच्छा थी दैट आई कम बैक टू इंडिया एंड यहाँ पर मैं कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बनाऊँ जो हमें आजकल खाली न्यूयॉर्क या लॉस एंजलिस या लंदन जैसी एरिया में देखने को मिलता है. फॉर्चुनेटली वर्ल्ड के जो सबसे बेस्ट डांसर्स हैं, पिछले 18 साल में उनसे मेरी अच्छी ताल्लुकात हो गई है एंड आई वर्क विद देम अ लॉट. और मैं जानता हूँ कि पिछले 5-6 सालों में यहाँ पर जितना डांस ग्रो किया है सारी कंपनीज़ के कारण से, टीवी शोज़ के कारण से, इतने डांसर्स हैं यहाँ पर, दे डोंट गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विटनेस अ वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेटफॉर्म टू कम टुगेदर to enjoy the celebration of dance, to take the lessons from the best teachers in the world, to watch the most jaw-dropping shows and then to actually socialize and mingle with each other for a full weekend. तो ये बहुत मुश्किल काम experience यहाँ पर कैसे लाएं, and I took it upon myself along with the help of course my better half Neha, to be able to try and bring this festival over here to Mumbai. Mumbai seemed to be the perfect location for it, and we've been working for 8-9 months together. In 3 दिनों में you will be experiencing everything you can think of with respect to entertainment, dance, shows, learning, a red carpet, star-studded weekend in all its plight. So आप अगर डांस करना पसंद करते हैं या डांस से डरते हैं, आप डांस देखना पसंद करते हैं या म्यूज़िक सुनना पसंद करते हैं, anything that you enjoy to do with the movement and with the form of dancing, you will get it this weekend. क्योंकि यहाँ दिन भर workshops होने वाली हैं अलग अलग डांस फॉर्म्स में, अलग अलग लेवल्स पर, with every single artist you can imagine of every dance form who's going to perform over there. शाम को, रोज शाम को from 8:30 to 11 we will have an absolutely stunning show production with the world's best performers and India's best talent coming together and performing on one stage. So there's going to be over 100-150 dancers every night who are going to be performing and entertaining the crowd. And the whole country has come together really, really well. So I'm really excited. We started off with a small dream. Luckily, we met Terence Lewis in August last year. He was super excited about it, so he gave us all his support. He became our brand ambassador. और उनके तरफ से जो उनकी डांस कंपनी है, उनका जो आर्ट्समैनशिप है, वो सब हमारे इवेंट के अंदर शामिल है. मिस्टर एशले लोबो फ्रॉम डांस वर्क्स ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड टू सपोर्ट अस. पूरी हिप हॉप कम्युनिटी, इंडिया के 11 टॉप हिप हॉप आर्टिस्ट हमारे साथ में हैं जो परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, टीच करने वाले हैं, और अलग अलग जो स्कूल्स हैं पूरी कंट्री के अंदर, वो सब साथ में आ रही हैं. सो I truly think we are making history in the next 7 days, and we are really excited that Mumbai is already looking so excited to come together from so many different attendees, not just the dance companies, but people who are in love with lifestyle and being with nice people and intermingling with people from different societies. And finally, with all the international participants coming, करीब 100-150 लोग, I'm really happy, are coming from all over the world just to attend this festival and to be part of the experience. So we're really happy to showcase India to them and the Indian talent to them through the form of Bailamos Festival also happening for the first time. This is the first year and it's looking great. We hope to see many more of you come and be part of the festival. And I'm just excited about the journey. This is just the beginning and we're going to do this every year.
Well, it's really good. It's more than that we expected. Actually, no, that would be wrong. It is as we expected, and that's the reason we came to Bombay. We've been doing festivals all around the world, and I really wanted it to happen in Bombay, and even Neeraj really wanted it to happen in Bombay, and finally it's happening in Bombay. So reception and the response has been very good. People are really very excited about the festival, so that gives us a lot of encouragement. A lot of people, whosoever kind of sees our promos or teasers, there's this, curiosity that we see in their eyes, this glitter, this smile on the face that we want to see on everyone's faces. So it's pretty good, and of course, as Neil said, it's just the start. We want to start from Mumbai, and by God's grace, we want to do it in every city in India so that everyone gets an exposure. We want to, after Mumbai, target Goa, which will happen very soon, so that's a surprise. We'll let you know when. And of course, slowly, gradually, we really want to spread, and we want to give platform to all the dancers, and to non-dancers, a lot of entertainment. Yeah, so that's what we want. Okay.
Whoever would like to be a part of the festival, would you let us know the dates and the venue?
Absolutely. So if you haven't yet made your bookings for the festival and decided to come, here's where it is. April 8th, 9th, 10th at the Renaissance Mumbai Convention Center in Powai. The Renaissance Hotel in Powai. That's where it's happening. Bailamos Festival 2016 for the very first time. It's a 3-day event. You can easily go to our website, which is www.bailamosfest.com, or go to Book My Show or Insider, and you can pick up your passes over there. We're almost sold out, but we still have passes left for some of the sessions. So please make sure you come and experience Bailamos 2016.
परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बात करें तो लाइक हमें अलग-अलग वैरायटीज के परफॉर्मेंस, क्या आपको भी परफॉर्मेंस देखने को मिलेंगे स्टेज पे इस फेस्टिवल में?
हाँ जी, मैं एक बहुत स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट करने वाला हूँ. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे पिछले 18 सालों में मैंने जो भी डांस एक्सपीरियंस हासिल किया है और जो कोरियोग्राफीज़ हैं, मेरी खुद की पार्टनर पोलैंड से आती हैं, उनका नाम है गोशिया. वो भी आ रही हैं इस फेस्टिवल में, और हम दोनों ने एक स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट कोरियोग्राफ किया है जो हम अपने फेस्टिवल के अंदर प्रेजेंट करेंगे. अब सरप्राइज़ है तो मैं सरप्राइज़ तो नहीं दे सकता हूँ आपको, लेकिन ये बता सकता हूँ कि हाँ, मैं भी परफॉर्म करने वाला हूँ अपने पार्टनर के साथ और कुछ बहुत अच्छे डांसर्स के साथ मिलजुल कर हम एक बहुत बढ़िया शो करने वाले हैं.
आपके साथ साथ परफॉर्मेंस के लिए तो आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस है ही हैं, तो अगर कुछ